Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to this new episode. So, are you looking to open a Cash App account, or you're just using to set up a Cash App account in an unsupported country? Okay, so you've come to the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a verified Cash App account from outside the US. Okay, so without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Okay guys, so before we even continue to this tutorial, there is a full written guide on how to create a Cash App account just like this. And if you're looking to understand more about this process, you want to check the video description to the link to this complete guide of creating a Cash App account just like this one you can see on your screen. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is to open Gmail and create a new Gmail account. So I'll just do that real quick. Open your Gmail and then you click on add another account. Okay, so now you want to select Google. So I'll just enter my PIN real quick. So what I'll do now is I'm going to click on create account to create a new Gmail account for our Cash App. So I'll just click on create new account and then select for personal use. So depending on your preferences, you can select for personal or for my business. Okay, so but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be selecting for personal use because that's the motive of creating this Cash App account from outside the US. Okay, so I'll just click on for personal use and then I'll have to enter a first name. Let me just do that real quick. Okay, so after entering your name, you want to enter your date of birth. You can enter something on your own, it just depends on you. It must not be your real date of birth, but you can as well enter your real date of birth, it doesn't matter. So just enter your gender and then you click on next. Now I'll just have to select a Gmail address, but you can create your own Gmail address if you want to, and you can also select the predefined Gmail address that have been available here. So I'll just select this one and then now you have to enter a strong password. So let me do that real quick. So after entering the password, just click on next and then you have to review your account, okay, to make sure that everything is okay. So that's the detail I created earlier with the Gmail address associated to it. So I just want to click on next and then now you have to review these terms. You can click on more options to learn more of how Google uses your account and then you click on I agree. Okay, so we've just created our Gmail account. Right? So I'll just switch to this Gmail address to make sure that it has been created. Okay, as you can see, it was created. Okay, so in most cases you will be asked to provide a phone number. You want to skip that because creating a Gmail address for Cash App doesn't require you creating a phone number. Okay, because if you create a phone number, Cash App will know that you've created this Gmail address from this region. Okay, so and if they notice that the region is out of the US, they won't let you open an account with them. Okay, so you want to make sure that you skip the phone number step while creating your phone number, your Google address. Okay, so make sure you don't enter a phone number while creating your Gmail address. So let's get to the next step. So the next thing that you want to do is to download a reliable VPN. I will recommend Winscribe. You can get the link to this VPN from the video description. It's a free to use VPN tool. What you want to do is to select a location in the US. So I'll just select best location and then wait for it to get connected. Alright, so we are connected. Now the next thing that we'll have to do is to go to the Play Store. Just get to Play Store, open your Play Store. So once your Play Store is open, you want to switch to that account we created earlier. So I'll just get that switched right away. Okay, so you want to accept the terms of service, and that's it. We've switched to that account. So the next thing that you want to do is to search for Cash App on your search bar. Just search for it just like so, and then the app is going to appear automatically. So you just want to click on install to install the app right away. Alright, so after Cash App has finished installing, here comes the crucial steps. Okay, so you will need to take off any SIM card that is in your mobile device. Okay, so you want to take out that SIM port from your mobile device to make sure that there's no SIM installed on your device. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I've taken off all SIM cards from my mobile device. So once you've done so on your end, what you want to do is to click on open from the Play Store. So since I already had an account on Cash App, my account is already there available. So what you want to do is to click on create an account. So I'll just click on add an account to this device to start the process from afresh. Okay, so here you have to enter the email. Click on use email, and then you enter the email that you created earlier, which is this, and then click on next. Okay, so you have to enter the confirmation code sent to your email address. You can just swipe down and copy the code sent to you. Just like so, and then click on next. And then now you'll be asked to confirm your country, which you want to select United States. And then you'll be asked to add a bank account using your debit card. The screen is typically dimmed right now because it is done. It does so for security purposes, so I'll just click on skip. And then now you'll be asked to enter your legal name. So name, just enter something for the purpose of this tutorial, just like so. Then click on next. So now you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Okay, so let me do that real quick. Then click on next, and then now you'll be asked to choose a cash tag. Okay, so you can just enter something unique that you want, or you can leave it just like so, and then you click on next. So now you'll be asked to enter a zip code. You just want to enter anything random, and then click on next. Okay, so now you'll be asked to choose a cash pin. Okay, so let me just enter real quick so the screen will stop being dimmed, and then I confirm it. Okay, so now you'll be asked to create a Cash App card. If you want to, you can go ahead creating that, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just skip this step. And now you can invite friends and get $10. Okay, so you can just invite friends and get $10 instantly for inviting friends. So I won't want to do that right now, so I'll just click on skip. Now you can see welcome to Cash App. That is it, guys. That's how you get to create a Cash App account from any country. Okay, if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so I catch you on the next one.